So, what actually happens if you suddenly get pulled into a black hole? Do you die right away, or do you somehow end up living forever somewhere else? Let's break it down. Before you cross into the black hole, everything around you might seem totally normal. You wouldn't notice anything strange at first, but then you'd start feeling an invisible force tugging at your body. About 30 minutes before falling in, you'd be right near the edge of the black hole. At this point, you'd see a glowing ring of light slowly swirling around it that's called the photon sphere. Once you pass through this bright layer, you'd enter total darkness. 10 minutes before you fall in, the reality hits you hard. You try desperately to escape the pull, but it's already too late. You've reached the event horizon, the point of no return where not even light can break free. After crossing this boundary, you're basically cut off from the rest of the universe. Anything you experience inside won't be known or seen by anyone outside. 5 minutes before entering the black hole, you've passed the event horizon and are now inside. It's completely dark, and a deep feeling of hopelessness sets in like nothing you've felt before. Just 1 minute before you're swallowed up, things get intense. Your body starts to stretch as gravity pulls your head and feet in opposite directions. This tugging is brutal, and after a short, painful moment, your body would be torn apart. The moment you finally fall in, you lose consciousness. All the matter that made up your body gets crushed down to the center of the black hole into a place called the singularity, a spot that's infinitely dense and deadly. But here's the thing, according to physics, your body doesn't just vanish. Instead, it becomes part of the black hole itself, contributing to its mass. Someday far in the future, the black hole will evaporate, releasing what's called Hawking radiation back into space. When that happens, every atom that once made up you will spread out across the universe. In a strange way, this means you become part of the cosmos forever, sort of immortalized, even if not in the way you'd expect.